Narrated by Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu. When it was morning, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to supplicate like this: Azbahna wa azbahal mulku lillah, walhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, wahdahu la sharika lahu, lahul mulk, wa lahul hamd, wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir. Rabbi as'aluka khayra ma fi hadha al-yawm wa khayra ma ba'da wa a'udhu bika min sharri ma fi hadha al-yawm wa sharri ma ba'da. Rabbi a'udhu bika min al-kasal wa su'i al-kibar. Rabbi a'udhu bika min adhabin fi an-nar wa adhabin fil qabr. We have entered upon morning, and the whole kingdom of Allah has entered upon morning. All praise are for Allah. There is no Lord except Allah, alone, with no partner. To Him belongs the dominion, and to Him is all the praise, and He has power over all things. My Lord, I ask you for the good of this day, and the good of what is after it. And I seek refuge in you from the evil of this day and the evil of what is after it. And I seek refuge in you from laziness and helpless old age. And I seek refuge in you from the punishment of the hellfire and from the punishment of grave. Sahih Muslim.